you have to focus on Kuya Pidoy. Okay, go.
Okay, so today I will be preparing or cooking a very special Filipino authentic
Dish.
dessert or dish. Okay? And you might notice na naka-smiley sa kasi. Basically, this is a happy food.
What's the name of the recipe na meron
The
tayo?
name of the recipe is Nati Chocolate Turon. Okay? So, lahat ba kayo kumakain ng turon?
Nati chocolate turon. Okay, so what are the ingredients,
So,
Kuya?
the ingredients, of course, yung banana.
Banana? O, pwede ba yung lakatan?
Pwede rin ba?
Lakatan, latundan.
Pwede rin siya, kaya lang masyadong malambot.
Malambot. Okay, so the best talaga pag turon, saba. Okay, saba. Okay, saging na saba. Okay.
And we have our very own Filipino original
Oo,
flat tops and
chocolate.
chocolate.
Okay. Ito yung nilaregalo ko sa girlfriend ko dati. Chocolate kasi mahal na pirero eh. Okay. Tapos, what else?
We have the lumpia wrapper.
Lumpia wrapper.
Okay.
Okay.
You can buy this sa mga palengke.
Okay, local market
Local
natin.
lang. And then we have sugar, brown sugar, specifically brown sugar.
Okay.
Mamaya malaman natin bakit brown.
Okay.
And then we have sesame seeds. And
Ano ginawa natin, Kuya Piday, kanina sa sesame seeds? What do you do? Okay.
before tayo nag-start, ginawa namin is
Nose.
inost yung sesame seeds to make it brown ang color.
Color. Yeah.
Kasi maputla yung sesame seeds.
Okay. So, first step.
The first step is, una-una, yung happy food. Maybe you will be asking bakit happy food. Kasi there is a research found na yung banana contains a bit of tryptophan, if I'm not mistaken. And then this produces parang mineral na nagpapasaya sa atin.
Wow. So, kumain kayo ng banana. Okay? Another one, the good thing about banana, that's why I like banana is this. Okay? Kapag ako puyat, okay, I eat banana.
Why?
Okay? It gives me the power and energy for, you know, parang like chocolate, okay? It gives you energy, and banana, yun din, gives you energy to move up. Okay? Saka parang mawawala yung puyat mo. Okay? Banana. Saka kung medyo, di ba? Medyo masama yung tiyan natin. Okay? We eat banana. Okay?
Yeah. So, first thing is we have to cut the banana into lengthwise.
Yan. Yeah! Okay.
So, bakit lengthwise? Kasi later on we will put some contents doon sa top. So, mas maganda flat yung banana. Okay? Kasi kung parang ganun siya, mahuhulog yung mga additional feelings natin. Feelings. Ayan, so we set aside.
Sa banana. Sige.
Okay? And then, next is we chop the chocolate and flattops. A little bit of trivia. Kumakain niyo yung flattops. So, yung kapatid niya ay curly tops.
Curly tops yun. Sarap yun.
So, hindi niyo ba alam na yung curly tops at saka flattops, they come from the same manufacturing company.
Thank you, Kuya Pete. Ricoa.
So, magkapatid sila. Kaya lang, may konting pagkakaiba.
Okay.
Smoothness at saka yung chewiness.
Yeah.
So, ito yung flattops.
Pero the best talaga, chocolate. Chocolate the best.
Chocolate.
Yes.
Wala ka.
Chocolate talaga. Chocolate with sundong tulangon. Tsaka tira-tira. Ano ba yan? Panahon ko to. Yan.
Matikip.
Hindi, wala.
Kinakabahan ko. And then yung chocolate. Ito medyo bitter, so konting gentleness.
Yun.
Siguro, kamay mo.
Nangihinig si
Ay,
Kuya.
hindi ako.
Natitense. Natitense. Oo, natitense.
Okay. Yung confidence, bumaba. Taas na konti.
Taas na konti.
Okay.
Go, next.
So next, i-compare na natin ito. And to follow is the wrapping part.
Okay, wrapping part.
So yung wrapping, may technique na konti.
Tignan nyo ha, technique onto the wrapping.
So, if I were you, you choose yung pinakamagandang mukha nito. Kasi ito tao. So, yung mas malaki ito. So, you put the banana, the slice of the banana, midway. Tapos, if you want, you can roll or sprinkle yung brown sugar. So,
Pero ngayon Kuya, ano gagawin natin?
So,
Sprinkle lang.
ngayon, sprinkle na lang.
Sprinkle lang. Yan.
Hindi masyadong matamis.
And of course, huwag kayong galit sa sugar, no? Oh yeah, you're going to put a lot of sugar onto it, then it will distract the flavor of all in all. Tandaan natin, we are dealing with chocolate and curly top to the flat tops. Okay, so these are sweets already. Okay. What I like with the chocolate is the butternutty flavor of it. Okay.
Alam niyo ba kung saan gawa yung chocolate?
Yeah, chocolate.
Saan yung ano niya, yung production niya?
Meron sa ano, di ba? Ricoa. Meron sa kanto na yan.
Ito po ay ginagawa sa Malabon siya.
Malabon pa. Okay. Kasi before Ortigas Avenue Extension, they have what they call Ricoa, Hershey's. Sunod-sunod. Pero BF Homes na yan. Tinanggal na.
So yan. So once we put the sugar on top, then we can put alternately the blocks of chocolate or chunks of chocolate.
So I suggest may nagpipicture na. Not all videos na.
Ayan.
Yan,
So,
nakakabahan.
alternate daw. Oh. Balik na.
Yan.
So then fold halfway.
Galing!
Medyo press ng konti. The flaps. Ito yung flaps.
Ay, yung flaps na yung gilid.
And
Okay.
right flap.
Make sure, the good thing about this one, make sure it is intact. Nakita mo sa camera? Okay. Make sure that the way you roll it is intact. Okay, so mamaya para pag nilagay natin, di magbuka. Okay? So, go.
Tapos, parang envelope. See the shape. Then, roll over until you reach the end of the wrapper. So, medyo may konting allowance. Tapos, dip a bit of water on the fingers and then seal it yung end ng wrapper. And then, roll. Finally, roll it. See?
Habang nagro-roll si Kuya Pitoy, okay, I'm the one who's going to fry it. Okay? So, meaning this is gonna be a deep frying method. Okay? Fully submerged onto the liquid. Then we are going to deep fry. Yes. Ay, sorry. Okay. So, test muna tayo ng isa. Okay, pwede na. Okay, we deep fry. Until golden brown lang ba?
Until golden
brown. Okay. Kita ba?
So, if you want, kung gusto nyo maiba naman, pwede isang flavor yung isa, tapos another flavor para may variety.
Another thing na ginagawa namin dito is, instead of banana, okay, another variation, we put tikoy. Flavored tikoy, ube, strawberry, okay? Put tikoy on it, okay? Okay medyo nagtitipid ka ng konti, okay? You go with cheese, okay? Cheese stick. Okay?
So, these are also food for the brain. Remember chocolate, nuts, and banana. So, pag kumain ka nito, actually there's research that tells us na if you eat one piece of banana, you can have the energy to finish a 90-minute workout.
Wow!
So,
So yung mga nag-weights dyan, eat banana.
talagang, luto lahat. In and out of the roll. So, if you want it to be crunchy, so kailangan medyo golden brown. So, yung deep frying naman, hindi ka mahirapan yung ganun pag over. You make parang ano lang, parang chicken joy lang, nakabit siya.
So mamaya gagawa pa tayo ng maraming ganyan, kuya.
Yes.
After mag-finish tayo, then we're going to make a lot of this one for everyone. Okay? Kasi sayang naman yung ingredients na meron tayo.
Ano lang, chef, 5 pesos.
5 pesos.
Paano pagtutulong kami ng mundo?
Alright?
Okay, so eto. Okay na ba ito sa inyo?
Crispy na yan.
Yes, crispy na to. So, i-drain natin sa paper towel para hindi masyadong
Wow, Gwen. Wow.
So,
Ganyan na.
Sarap!
Hindi kami pamain. Pag-on. Napakagat lang.
Okay. Next, we are going to plate it.
yes.
Okay? Nasa natin.
So, kahapon, nagdala ko ng
Hindi
nanguha ako ng banana leaf sa kapitbahay. Hindi ko na alam. And then,
Parang na yan.
kasi nasa
Ay.
ano namin ng bahay. Family. Okay, so, what I did is to cut some banana leaves and then to give it a little
Parang plating.
presentable. So, I crease cut the edges.
So, meron naman nabibilingan eh. Content na.
Yes. And then,
Very Filipino.
yes, yes.
Alright. Banana leaf.
Plate natin siya. Bahala kayo kung ano gusto niyo. Like diagonal or pente.
Yan. Oh.
Pwede!
Pwede. Magkano to? 100 pesos ba yan?
And then, it's best served with sesame
Sesame
seeds.
seeds. Okay.
Ah,
Yan. So what we did dito, we have what we call condensed milk. Rush namin ng condensed milk tapos sesame seeds.
medyo dry, so tama si chef.
Yan.
Okay.
Alright.
And then,
Of course.
para naman magbigay po guys sa mga
Sponsors!
Salamat parado.
So ito yung signature ni Kuya Pidoy. Okay. So what's this? What's this? What's this? Anong tawag natin dito?
Nati, chocolatey, roll.
Ating chocolatey turon. Thank you, Kuya Pidoy. Okay, picture. Okay. Pwede. Okay.